Come test drive the 2010 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power convenience group, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, SIRIUS Satellite Radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.